Hi all! I'd like to show you a real quick stitch tutorial, and it's going to be the extended half double crochet. So to begin, you wrap your yarn on your hook, you go into your stitch, pull up a loop, wrap your yarn again and go through one loop. That's the extended part. Wrap your yarn again and you pull through all 3 loops to finish your stitch. That's your extended half double crochet. Wrap your yarn, pull up a loop, wrap your yarn, pull through 1 loop, wrap your yarn, pull through 3 loops. So this is what your half double crochets look like. There's a whole row of them. Here's the second row and the back of them. Here's the back of them. Here's the front. So I hope you give it a try, and in the next video I'll show you a project that this stitch will feature in. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.